Yeah, I want that number 9 combo. Look at a double with a just a small Coke.
All right, what else you get, boss?
That's it.
All right, check out this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another food review for you guys, and I'm going to be honest with you. This is the second time I've done this video. I did this like last week and forgot to hit record. What can I say? Guys, we're doing the Wendy's. It's the I'm probably gonna screw it up like I always do. The bourbon bacon cheeseburger. Got a double here. Check that out. I can tell you it's a pretty good sandwich since I've already ate it, but it's typical Wendy's. But you know what all they got on here? There's nothing on the bottom bun. It's kind of messy, so I'm gonna be careful. I got the double, but it's got the chips or the little fresh onion sticks or whatever they're called. Of course, it's got bacon and cheese and that little bourbon sauce they use. I want to taste that bourbon sauce. Actually, there ain't a whole lot. There is, but it's all on one side. Typical fast food, understaffed, like everybody right now. That bourbon sauce is actually pretty decent. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite for you, just so I can get this. I want to set this down because it's real messy. That is very messy. Here's my deal. Shoot my food up. Here's my deal with Wendy's. That is a good burger. And it's the same complaint I always have with Wendy's. The burgers are pretty good, but it's always because of what's on them. With that, the bacon is on point as always. That's always good. The bourbon sauce, they might have a better name for it. I don't know. The bourbon sauce is good. Of course, the cheese. Wendy's has a lot of good stuff. I don't particularly like Wendy's hamburgers, and because the meat is by itself is unseasoned. I don't know if they season or not, but it doesn't taste like it. And the meat's usually always dry. No exception on this. And that's my biggest complaint with Wendy's. That is a good burger, but it's because of what they got on it. And that's my deal with that. I love Wendy's. I like their chili. They got a taco salad that is delicious. I love getting it. I recommend it. I might, if I'm doing a review from home, I might do that for you one time, just to show you how I present it and how. I mean, if you haven't had one, go try it. But it's really good. But the burger's good. If you're in the mood for a burger, I typically don't get burgers at Wendy's, but I got this one for you. It's actually been out a while, I think. It's been out about a year. Can't believe I hadn't had it. But now I have. So I'm not gonna do the score. I'm not real good at the scoring thing. So I just leave it. It's a good burger. If you want to try it, give it a shot. I did get some fries. Wendy's fries, they're okay for fries. Not the best, not the worst by any stretch. Get another bite for you, one more. Yeah. Extra meat's just okay. Pretty good. But I'll leave it at that. Pretty good. Guys, thank you as always. Hope you enjoyed these reviews. We're gonna go as long as you want to see them. As long as I'm having fun doing it, I'll keep doing it. So guys, thanks as always. Hit that like button for us. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And hit that bell down there to notify you every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. I am going to finish it.